Welcome back, folks. We are back with a new video to help solve your financial problems. Today, we are going to talk about the no credit check same-day loan lenders. These lending platforms can provide you with almost instant access to funds without any credit checks, which can be a lifesaver for many borrowers. Let's learn more about these lending platforms in our video. To get started and visit the official websites of these lending platforms, check out the description. Top 5 no credit check same-day loan lending platforms. Vyver Payday Loans. First up is the Vyver Payday Loans. They offer a convenient way to get cash without a credit check, making it ideal for those who might not have the best credit score. The application process at the Vyver Payday Loans is quite straightforward. You visit the website, fill out an application form with your details, and submit it. Approval usually happens within minutes, and if approved, you can expect the funds in your bank account on the same day or within the next 24 hours. Big Buck Loans. Next, we have the Big Buck Loans, which are also a great option for people who want fast cash. Big Buck Loans also have an easy to apply application process that you can complete in simple, easy steps. Moreover, they don't require any type of credit checks, making them accessible for people with even bad credit. The application process is simple and can be easily done online. Once you submit your details on their platform, your application form gets approved in a few minutes, and most often, the money will be deposited into your bank account the same day. Low Credit Finance. Next on the list, we have Low Credit Finance. It also offers quick loans for borrowers without any credit checks. They are perfect for those who need fast access to money, especially if you have a poor credit history. The application process is easy and entirely online. Once you submit your application and it is approved, you can receive funds the same day. Also, the interest rates at the Low Credit Finance are quite competitive, and you only need to be 18 years old and have a stable monthly income source to apply at the Low Credit Finance platform. 50K Loans. Another option you can look into is 50K Loans. This lending platform also offers a similar service. They provide fast cash without the need for a credit check, making them accessible to people with less than perfect credit. The process is pretty straightforward, and once the application is approved, you will receive the loan amount the same day or within the next 24 hours. Also, the repayment period at 50K Loans is quite extensive and can help people who have trouble repaying the loan amount. Green Dollar Loans. Last on our list, we have the Green Dollar Loans, one of the well-known lending platforms on the internet. This lending platform offers a convenient way to get quick cash for any type of urgent financial need. They do not require a credit check, just like other lending platforms on our list. The application process is also simple and straightforward. However, make sure you align with their eligibility criteria, which is that you need to be above the age of 18 years old, have a stable income source, and also be a US citizen. If you align with these eligibility criteria, then you can easily apply for a loan at the Green Dollar Loans lending platform. How to apply for a no credit check same-day loan. The application process to apply for a no credit check same-day loan is quite simple and straightforward. However, before starting the application process, you need to follow some steps to make sure you are going in the right direction. Here is how you should go. First and foremost, you need to start analyzing your present financial situation. You need to try to understand what the financial crises are and what kind of money can change the situation. Based on it, you need to evaluate the situation to determine whether you can get the type of amount in your present condition. Now, you need to gather all the important documents such as income, identity, etc. Now, the warm-up has been converted. We now start the actual application process, starting with selecting the right lending platform according to your needs. You should make sure that you select the right lending platform that has the right approval rates, loan amount, etc. Once you select a lending platform, we start by visiting the lending platform, selecting your required loan amount, filling out the simple application form and submitting all your important documents. Then you connect with a lender in the network of the lending platform, and they will provide you with a loan agreement regarding the loan amount, interest rates, tenure, etc. Check all the details, and once you are satisfied with the terms and conditions and know it is perfect for you, then agree and sign the agreement. After the agreement is signed, your loan amount will reach your bank account within 24 hours or the same day. Conclusion. To conclude our video, we trust that these online lending platforms can be a great choice in your financial crisis. They can help you get the right loan amount in a short period of time, and the two without any credit checks, which can be a great option for people who have low credit scores. But most importantly, try to pick the right lending platform for an easy research process. Try checking out our list of top lending platforms. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. To get to the official website of these lending platforms, check out the description below. You can get all the links in the description box.